Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. In this lesson, we are still going to learn finals. The first one is A. A. The pronunciation of it is similar with A in lay. A. A. When you pronounce A, firstly, the A should be pronounced, and then slide to E. The corners of the mouth open to both sides without the back out of the airflow. A. A. Let's learn the fortunes of it. A. 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 Here is a tip. The final A can be used to make up Chinese characters by combining it with the consonant B, P, M, B, D, N, L, G, H, Z, U. Now, we will learn two Chinese characters which are made up by including A in it. First one is hey. Hey. It means black. Let's read it. Hey. Hey. Next one is 飞机. 飞机. 飞机 means aircraft. 飞机. 飞机. The second one is 耶. 耶. It pronounces just like 耶 from yes. 耶. 耶. When 耶 is pronounced, we have to pronounce I in a not resounding but short way first. Then pronounce A in a resounding way with the tone slide from high to low. 耶. 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 也. 也. 夜. 夜 are the fortunes of it. The tip for 耶 is that by combining B, P, M, D, T, N, L, J, Qi, Ji with 耶, the Chinese characters can be made up as well. Let's learn two Chinese characters which are made up by using 耶. The first one is 切. 切, which means cup. Please read it after me. 切. 切. The second one is 贴. 贴. 贴 means paste. 贴. 贴. Let's review what we have learned this time. a a ye ye. The homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. Okay, so much for today. See you. Goodbye. 再见。